Hello everyone, my name is Mark Hess and this is the FIT team. With this presentation I will be showcasing the application architecture and the tools we'll be using, and my teammate Laura will be going over screen prototypes as well as our progress thus far. So a quick recap, we are building a procedural notes application which will add and view and edit procedural notes or allow oral surgeons to do so. Our team members are Hussein, the PM, Suzanne, the developer, Josh, who are both developers as well, Laura, which is our QA manager, and myself, which is also developing, and our TA mentor is Brent. So here's the application architecture. This whole process will actually begin with our team, the developers, and we will be pushing code, which I'll go over the actual tools and different languages and everything that we're going to be using in a minute. But we will be pushing that code base to GitHub, the Georgia Tech GitHub servers, which will trigger Jenkins continuous integration to take that code base and build Docker images and then deploy to the Rancher servers and actually run our application. The ins and outs of the application will be discussed here in a bit by my teammate Laura, but as you can see here, it will have different functionality, and that functionality will actually interact with the FHIR API, which in turn has its own database. There is actual discussion that we may incorporate our own database, but at the moment we do not have plans for that. The user will interface or will interact with the interface for our application, which involves these different functionalities that we've shown here. Now my teammate will actually discuss the various prototypes and the progress that we have going on.
Hello, this is Laura Jai. I will be discussing the UI mockups for our procedural notes application, as well as going over the Gantt chart. So this is the first screen, our login screen for our surgical notes. There'll be a username password field and a login button, pretty standard. This is the screen that the user will see once they're logged in. Just a navigation bar to take you to the different pages of the app. So this screen is the patient list, and it lists all the patients available to the medical center. Shows the name, medical record number, and the age. You're able to select a patient from the list and click on Go to Patient Notes to view the patient information screen. This is the main patient information screen where you can view the patient information as well as their procedure notes. You can add a new procedure note and view the ones that were already saved for the patient. The screen is a scroll down view of the previous slide. Just shows the list of different procedure notes for this patient. This is the view in edit mode. You're able to enter new text for adding a new procedure note or editing an existing one. And you can save the note, exit without saving. When create a new patient is selected from the navigation bar, it takes you to this screen. You can enter a new patient and save the patient. So since the last deliverable, we've created the screen prototypes as you've just seen. Completed the architectural design as you saw in the diagram earlier. We started to code. So for the next couple of weeks, we'll be working on the application. We've broken each of the pages up and assigned it to one of the team members, so everyone will have something to work on. And that concludes this presentation.